All right, this is Kristoph. We're headed out to the property. Say hi, Lorraine.
Hello.
We got door, some glass panes, generator. We got to go get some gas. Glass panes. Yep, and we're headed out. Wish us luck. Time for the super secret combination. That's a pretty sight, isn't it? Yay. Okay, alrighty. So what we got going on here is Matthew and I are trying to get that going. I don't know if you can hear it, but there's a generator going over there where Lorraine is using a vacuum cleaner. Big old solar panel here. We are trying to get this puppy running. How we doing there?
It's not turning over.
Oh, that's obvious. I didn't bring any starter fluid, so. Oh, we'll keep working on this. Okay, unable to get that big old Briggs & Stratton running. We're back to the trailer. There's Ron's project. There's Matthew researching a Briggs & Stratton S5500. The trailer. I've got some glass panels to carry inside. I'll get that here in a second. You can hear this little generator running. It's a little hard out. Yeah. So Lorraine can run the shop vac. Lorraine, say hi. So she's cleaning, vacuuming, running the shop vac, and I'm going to bring the glass panels in so that we can replace like this broken one here. And that broken one over there. Okay. Let's see what else. So, yeah, we're working on it. We got plans to get some, oh, here's a door though. We have to trim it down about this far to make it fit here. We're going to throw some panels down to cover up the floor, holes in the floor, and I was thinking fire brick for the walls here so that when we do put a wood burning stove here, it doesn't catch the place on fire. That's kind of where we're at right now. Say hi, Matt.
Alright, we were right about that little black lever.
Okay.
It's not engaging the choke.
Right.